Welcome to Hindu Infopedia. This episode begins a new civilizational diagnostic series. It examines what we call the Rakbij thesis, an ancient diagnostic drawn from the Devi Mahatmya. We apply it to modern geopolitical reality. The core question is simple. Why have military force, diplomacy, aid, and international law repeatedly failed to resolve certain conflicts over the past 70 years? In the Devi Mahatmya, the Asura Rakbij has a unique power. Every drop of his blood that touches the ground produces another warrior. Attack multiplies the threat. Defeat generates replication. Strip away mythology and the operating principle becomes clear. A system in which loss does not end conflict, but regenerates it. The thesis argues that this mechanism became historically visible about 1,400 years ago. It crystallized most visibly in Palestine. But the pattern is not limited to geography. Consider Jordan in 1970. During Black September, the Palestine Liberation Organization attempted to challenge King Hussein's authority. Civil war followed, and the organization was expelled. In Lebanon from 1975 to 1990, Palestinian armed groups became central actors in a prolonged civil war. In Kuwait after the 1990 Iraqi invasion led by Saddam Hussein, approximately 400,000 Palestinians were expelled amid accusations of collaboration. In Syria, refugee camps later became battlegrounds during the civil war, beginning in 2011. 4 countries, different political systems, no Israeli variable in the internal conflicts of Jordan, Lebanon, Kuwait, or Syria. Yet instability repeated. The thesis also points to structural elements. The United Nations Relief and Works Agency, or UNRWA, maintains hereditary refugee status across generations. The Palestinian Authority's Martyr Fund has provided financial payments linked to imprisonment or death in attacks. These policies are cited as institutional mechanisms that perpetuate grievance and identity across time. Beyond the Middle East, demographic debates in parts of Europe, including France and Sweden, have raised questions about integration, parallel communities, and political demands as populations grow. Meanwhile, 57 Muslim-majority nations have largely declined permanent resettlement of Palestinian refugees, while publicly expressing solidarity. The argument is not about ethnicity, it is about ecosystem. Trauma alone does not guarantee perpetual conflict. After 1947, millions were displaced during the partition of India. Refugee status was not made hereditary, and integration was forced toward finality. Within 2 generations, India built a space program and a diversified economy. The Rakbij thesis concludes that replication requires soil, institutions funding education systems, and narratives that allow conflict identity to regenerate. The proposed counter-concept comes from the yogic idea of Dagdhabij, the burnt seed, a seed that cannot germinate because the enabling conditions are removed. This series explores whether ancient civilizational diagnostics can illuminate modern geopolitical patterns more clearly than contemporary frameworks alone. If this analysis adds value to your understanding, please like and subscribe to the channel and read more at Hindu Infopedia.